Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of in-app purchases for your Flutter apps. In-app purchases are a fantastic way to monetize your app and offer users a way to unlock features, access premium content, or support your development. But how do you implement them in Flutter? Don't worry, we'll break it all down for you in this video. In-app purchases are digital goods or services that users can buy within your app. These can be anything from consumable items like extra lives in a game to permanent upgrades or even subscriptions for ongoing access to premium features. There are two main things you'll need to consider. First is the in-app purchase package. This official Flutter plugin simplifies in-app purchase implementation by providing a unified API for both iOS and Android. And second thing is store setup. You'll need to configure your app in both the App Store and Google Play Store to define your in-app purchases and manage pricing. The in-app purchase plugin supports three main types of in-app purchases. Consumables. These are items that can be purchased multiple times, like extra coins or game boosts. Non-Consumables. These are permanent upgrades, like removing ads or unlocking a new level pack. Subscriptions. These offer ongoing access to features or content for a recurring fee. Now, let's have a look at how to implement in-app purchases in your Flutter app. 1. Add the in-app purchase package to your Flutter project. 2. Configure your in-app purchases in the App Store Connect and Google Play Console. 3. Use the in-app purchase API to connect to the underlying store. Load available in-app purchase product details. Initiate a purchase flow for a chosen product. Verify successful purchases to ensure users get what they paid for. Once you implement the in-app purchase, thorough testing is crucial. Both stores offer sandbox environments where you can simulate purchases without real money being spent. Utilize test accounts to ensure a smooth user experience. In-app purchases can be a powerful tool for monetizing your Flutter app and creating a valuable experience for your users. By using the in-app purchase plugin and following best practices, you can implement in-app purchases efficiently and securely. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more Flutter tutorials.